Hi, I'm Brandy, this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Witch's Bounty for October 2021. This box was gifted to me, but the opinions are my own. Ooh, so pretty. Of mystery and magic. I just love this art. Spirit of the Owl. Isn't that beautiful? I collect these. I told you that a bazillion times. Alright, let's see. It smells very yummy and spicy. Keeper of Wisdom. Look at all that good stuff in there. Let's give it a sniff. It's very mild. There we go. A little more bright. Alright. I don't know where my knife went. I don't have my knife, so this is a very dark blue candle. We've got a cord for hanging your amulet or pendant on. This appears to be a hematite to me. That's what it looks like. And we've got some messenger. And that's what the spicy, delicious smell is. Alright, let's see what this is now. Let's see what this is now. Opening the box now. Ooh. Oh. It's a sterling silver penguin with a carved fossilized palm wood. I think I have another one of these, but it's a snake. Isn't that pretty? Alright, let's look at this, guys. Witchcraft and the occult have been described as lost traditions, filled with unattainable knowledge and wisdom. It is within these mysteries that we can find the greatest source of guidance and mindful treasures. As practitioners, we are on a continual path of growth. This includes ongoing research and practice and an undying thirst to understand and comprehend. We are wise enough to know that our perceptions of the world are the keys to unlocking new ideals and emotional connections with the world around us. Available to everyone who is willing to take the time to understand, the magical manuscripts of old can attain the knowledge and wisdom of 1,000 years. In this very special collection, we work with the energies of a specific spirit guide to reawaken our passion for understanding our magical world and reality. Hand-carved fossil palmwood root owl pendant. From being represented as the omen of death to the keeper of the mysteries, the owl has long been recognized as an important symbol in magical practices from all around the world. The importance of the owl can be found within Africa, Asian, Sumerian, European, Hindu, Native American, and Western cultures and covers a wide variety of meanings. It goes on a bit. Let me look about the palm. They decided to use fossilized palm wood or root in the carving of this owl. It's the result of great pressure that has fossilized the Indonesian palm over millions of years. It has timeless wisdom and knowledge captured within. It has grounding and balancing energies to assist us in dissolving fears and anxieties. Cool. Keeper of Wisdom Magical Anointing Oil. And so one more time for you guys. It's palm root. Fossilized palm root. And silver. Very beautiful. Keeper of Wisdom, or Keeper of Wisdom Magical Anointing Oil. It has amber, patchouli, jasmine, gardenia, and vanilla, as well as ground sage, blue lotus, and mugwort herbs. It has Lemurian quartz, and it provides you with patience to understand and observe during magical practices, research, and meditation. And then we have our Messenger Ritual Incense Sticks, our Magic and Mystery Spell Candle, enhancing your curiosity during study and ritual, a Hematite Stone. Carry the stone with you throughout your day or place upon your altar to benefit from its ability to bring union between the spirit and the physical world. Grounding and manifestation. Spirit of the Owl Book of Shadow. Absolutely beautiful. Wow, this is an amazing box. The smell is amazing. I love the little owl. So cool. It's very interesting because I have an owl now and a snake. And I feel like they're very sacred. Oh my God, this smells so good. This smells so good. Very sacred animals. And it kind of gets me thinking about, I'm thinking about like just their nature, I guess. Because there's a lot of mythology around both of those animals. Oops, sorry. And it's just really an interesting thought that I'm having right at this moment. Sparks some curiosity in me for sure. I love this box. I highly recommend it to you. It's a very nice treat for yourself. I will leave the link in the description below. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you for watching.